we're going to talk about command line arguments. So now that you know about the arrays and the string class, you can understand the args parameter to main that has been in every program that we've done so far. So many programs accept what are called command line arguments. A command line argument is the information that directly follows the program's name on the command line when it is executed. Command line arguments are stored as strings in the string array called args. And then here's how we define args, a string array of args. And let's see this in an example. Here we have a Java class called CLDemo, and then please pay attention that we have this since the beginning of the class, a string array of args. Now his name args is it could be something else, but it's just very common use. So we can print how many arguments that we might receive by saying that there are space, and then if this is an array args, so we need the length. So I can say args dot length, and notice that since arg is an array, it's not a string, it's an array of strings. So being an array, we're gonna say args dot length. So plus, then I can say space command line arguments. Okay, so let's test this first, and then I can say Java C and cl demo.java. So then I can say Java cl demo. Notice that it says there are 0 command line arguments because I did not supply this program with any arguments. So I'm going to run this again. I'm going to say Java CL demo. Then I'm going to say, I'm just going to put my name, Irfan, and it's going to say there are 1 command line arguments. Okay, so I can say, put my first name and last name. It will say there are 2 command line arguments. So I'll give one more try. I want to say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Notice that right after the class name, I can supply as many arguments as we want, as long as they are separated by space. So hit enter, we expect 5. So there are 5 command line arguments. All right, so now since we know that args is an array and it's an array of strings, we could do whatever we have done so far. One of them being is we can say PL, then we can say they are, and let me make this print. Then I can say I can use for loop, I can use for each loop. So that's a matter of choice. I can say integer I from 0, I is less than args dot length and I plus plus. Then I can say p, and then I can say args I, and separate by space or comma space. Let's do that. Then when I'm done, I can say PL. Okay, so when try this again, I'm going to recompile. Then I'm gonna say, let's try this one. Okay, so there are 5 command line arguments, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can try with my other one. I can say there are 2 command line arguments. They are Irfan, comma, Ortak, comma. All right, so go ahead and try this yourself.